Human-centered engineering design is an interdisciplinary and inclusive field of study that bridges human-centered design, engineering design, art design, social sciences, and business principles. The HCED program at the University of Michigan-Dearborn is an undergraduate degree that is offered by the Department of Industrial and Manufacturing Systems Engineering. As an HCED student, I am learning to address human needs by applying design thinking processes to the whole product lifecycle, while considering user needs, technologies, and business factors. For example, safe workspace for workers, inclusive facilities for athletes, intuitive healthcare, applications for patients, engaging educational platforms for students, accessible public services for citizens, social innovations for refugees. Are you interested in creating innovative solutions to address a wide range of real-world problems? Do you want to be a part of a hands-on interdisciplinary program that bridges the gap between human-centered design, engineering, art, social sciences, and business principles? If the answer is yes, then the Human-Centered Engineering Design program at the University of Michigan-Dearborn is the right fit for you.
Human-centered engineering design is an innovative approach that prioritizes the human experience by emphasizing empathy, artistic design, creativity, technical expertise, and collaborative problem solving. Through the HCED program, students will develop the ability to apply these principles and solve real-world engineering challenges.
Develop your HCED skills in a design studio-based experience that includes a hands-on design curriculum and project-based courses. Each academic year, students participate in at least one studio that allows them to engage in collaborative problem solving and build their design skills. What sets our program apart is that the design studio experience extends beyond the campus. We believe that the best designs are created through collaboration with diverse communities. As part of our Human-Centered Engineering Design program, we have established a network of K-12 educators, artists, designers, industries, and nonprofit organizations that serve the surrounding communities. Through this network, our students learn to engage all of these partners as they work through the program.
Students will use newly developed scientific methods to better understand the needs and behaviors of users and use this information to guide the design of tools that smooth human-machine interaction. By using techniques such as user research, data analytics, iterative prototyping, and usability testing, designers can gather insights about how people interact with technology and identify pain points or areas for improvement. This information is then used to guide the design of tools and interfaces that are intuitive, user-friendly, and effective.
The solutions designed by the human-centered engineering students are not only effective and innovative, but also satisfying for the end users. For instance, our students have developed prototypes such as an ice cream scoop that requires minimum effort to use, a self-stirring coffee mug, a folding bedside table for patients, a self-stabilizing platform for 3D printers and other instruments, and a system that assists emergency helicopter pilots to land more safely, which could potentially save lives. And this student has a patent pending for this project.
By incorporating principles of design and visual communication into the engineering design process, we can create products that are not only functional, but also visually compelling and emotionally engaging. This approach can help students to develop a more holistic understanding of the design process and encourage them to think beyond traditional engineering constraints. By teaching digital art alongside engineering, we can cultivate a new generation of designers who are better equipped to create innovative products that are both useful and beautiful. Our program has state-of-the-art facilities to support hands-on and project-based learning. Our design studios provide space for team design activities to develop low and high fidelity prototypes. Our makerspace allows students to bring their ideas to life by building functional prototypes, and our collaborative design education spaces provide an inclusive and interdisciplinary environment
for students to work collaboratively. By the end of the program, students will have gained a deep understanding of human-centered design principles and how to apply them in practice. They will develop their engineering design portfolio and be equipped to pursue a range of careers in this high-demand field that is full of diverse opportunities. HCED graduates can secure employment as user experience researchers and designers, multimedia and web developers, product development engineers, interface designers, information architects, system design engineers at technology companies, and other industries. If you are interested in a program that offers such opportunities, the Human-Centered Engineering Design program at the University of Michigan-Dearborn is the ideal choice for you.